Okay guys, in this video we're gonna design our footer section, and I think it's gonna be fun for you to do that. That part of our website is called the footer section, okay? And we're gonna work with the customizer of the WordPress mainly in that lesson. Let's go first to our WordPress dashboard. Go to dashboard. Oh, before we go, I didn't save actually what I did, so it's nice to have this message every now and then, so I'm gonna stay and save. And now let's go to our dashboard from here. Now we're going to our home page. We're gonna customize our footer section. Now we remember what we did before we start our designing. We worked on the main part. Now we have footer and we have header and all that. And what we did for the home page, we're gonna do that for each and every page we're working on, okay? So we have the footer section. We're gonna enable that part, which is display footer widgets area. So we need to display those widgets, and we're gonna put them in our footer section by now. And then we have the copyright. You can enable that if you would like, and you can even disable or leave it as it is on default. And that's it for the footer section. And now we can update that to our page. Remember to save that or update what you did to your website. And then we can go and either visit our website or view page from here, okay? So let's go ahead and start viewing our page. Then we have our website. We can edit with Elementor from here or either customize. And for those of you guys who never worked before on WordPress or never started designing before on the customizer of the theme, this is actually the regular way we design our websites through WordPress. And this is the new stuff, the page builders. And maybe it's not that new because there are so other many page builders since a while, but this page builder is a new, relatively maybe a year ago started to be used, and I think it's one of the amazing tools for building a website. And we can go ahead and press on customize so we can get an idea of how to customize our website through that customizer. And it's actually so easy to use the customizer, and it's so easy to design your website. So basically, if you want to work on your menus, you're gonna hit that site identity, which is your logo, and your website name, you're gonna enter that, okay? And now we're gonna work on our widgets. So we have the widgets in here. Then we have our footer widgets. We're gonna work on that after we start by adding our widgets to the footer area. So we're gonna press on here. By the way, guys, I'm gonna go back to our main menu. Will be changing. This menu will be changing according to your theme, okay? Some themes have a shorter options and others have more options. So Ocean WP theme is one of the amazing themes that's compatible with the Elementor page builder, and they are offering us great customization settings in their theme. So we're gonna go to our widgets, and we have footer 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are basically those parts of the website. Footer 1 in here, and 2 in here, 3 and 4, okay? So we're gonna go to footer 1 and add widget, okay? We can add anything to our footer area section depending on your website's main purpose. So maybe you're offering some kind of service, maybe you are a store, maybe you are a service provider. So every website will have its own needs of widgets, and also according to your preferences, okay? So we have the contact info, you can insert that, or about me or anything. Maybe I will be starting with some custom menu. We can add our pages in here, and also we have something there, and you can add your mail poet form, for example, okay? Or even Mailchimp subscriber pop-up in there. So it's all up to you. So for example, I'm gonna start with custom menu as a footer widget 1, and here you can select your menus. We have main menu, which is our main menu we're using, and we can call it pages or menu actually for people to see now, and it's starting to show in here. So people, after they scroll to the bottom of the screen, or they can even reach your more pages from here. And you can still customizing this one, maybe to change its position, make it right like that for the right or center. I would like to keep it on left side. Padding usually a space, so you can add top, left, right padding, example like that, 15 pixels, 8 pixels, and you can customize the space around it. and you can change the link color or the hover color or font size. It's so customizable, okay? And you can even add text transform from here, like make it capitalize or lowercase or maybe capitalize like that. And then once you're done with that, let's save and publish. And then you're gonna go and start on working on the footer too. And I think one of the most important widgets in here is the social icons, and you can leave it as it is, follow us, and you can start adding them from here by inserting your links or maybe inserting those for beginning, and you can add as many as you would like. As you can see, let's add another icon for making them symmetric, maybe YouTube. Okay, and you can start customizing them from up there. From here you have the style, you can make them colored if you would like, or even dark or simple or light like that, or even you can make it like that, dark. And remember guys, we can customize even that color or the footer section as visuals, or even our typography, which is amazing about that theme we're using. And then I think this one looks unique and nice, and we can start making some transition if you would like, maybe like floating, so it will be like that when you try clicking on those social icons, or even make them rotate or zoom out. Rotate will be like that, or zoom out like that, which is basically like shrink in the Elementor. What do you call it in there? Okay, I think we will leave it as float, and you will be inserting your own links in here with HTTPS and removing that hashtag. You don't need that one. And then you can save and publish. And now let's start working on our footer 3, and you can add anything guys. I think you can add maybe your mail pod form if you are interested into email marketing or something like that. By the way, I want to talk about the email form. You can customize that one. Remember when we were working on that guys, you can add names and everything. I'm gonna show you that in a little while. Now you have subscribed to our newsletter. Title of that one, you can make it anything else you would like, and this is the only form you have now. You can create new form like that. Open link, new tab. I'm gonna show you how to customize that. I love the minimal stuff, but you can even add more items to that form if you would like. Then you can add a widget if you would like in the same footer. Actually, this goes for any footer area. You can add many widgets if you would like in the same area. You can add even a Facebook like box if you would like, or Flickr or Instagram, MailChimp, whatever you would like. Okay, so I'm gonna go to footer 4. So we're gonna add a widget in the footer area. We can add a custom link, which can be downloadable stuff or anything external or internal within your website, or even recent posts if you're like a blogger. And we have those Jetpack widgets. If you don't have the Jetpack plugin, you're not gonna have these options. You can make blog subscription or blog stats or author, or you can add audio player for people if you would like to do that, or calendar, categories, or contact info and map. This can be provided by your Jetpack plugin as well, and it could look like that. You can add hours and info if you have a store or something like this. I can add your phone numbers and email address for a quick contact list, and also we will build our contact us page, but this one for a quick access if people want to access you in some quick way. Or even let's add another thing different. We can go add at footer 4 and add a widget, and let's add our maybe Instagram, and I'm gonna search for this one, and then you can insert your username in here, maybe that one. And by the way, this is our Instagram, and I really recommend you visit that one. I've been traveling around the world, and I was working in aviation industry for a while, and I think you're gonna see some interesting and nice artistic photos. Go ahead and check it out, and if you like it, just tell me what you think of that. And you can customize this. This is part of the images in there, and some of them for some nice aircrafts and space shuttle. If you are interested in aviation, I think you will like that Instagram account. Okay, and you can customize the number of images to show. You can make them 9 or 10 or whatever you would like. Check new images every 5 hours, and you can add even more images. I think I'm gonna leave it on 10, and you can choose style 1 or 2 or columns or whatever. Let's try the style 2 for example. Two columns, for example, like that. But I think style 4 could be nice as well. You know what, I'm gonna make it with style 1. And you can display header or no, as you can change your button text and button target from here. And eventually I will keep it on style 2 for a minimal look of our website, and that could be matching our website, not too crowded. Then I'm gonna save and publish that. And let's go to our footer widget area. We have that part to customize our colors or anything we would like. We can hide it on some devices if we would like. And we have the fixed footer in here. We can make it fixed or add height to our footer if we would like. Page ID to highlight some page in here, some of our pages later when we create them. It's not really recommended, but if you would like to do that or stress on some page, maybe contact us, maybe your shop or anything, you can add it. And then you have the padding to add space for your footer in here for that part. And you can go ahead and try with that if you would like to customize your footer even more. And you can customize your background from here. Select the color and you can choose its color if you would like. Make it maybe like that, or even maybe dark gray to be matching our theme. And then we can choose our text color, maybe white, and this will make this one white as well. And then we can control our border colors, add these colors, and we can customize our links color and even the hover color for these links. Then we have our footer bottom, which is that little part in here. Maybe copyright for your company or whatever. Copyright, maybe Design Academy or your company's name. Designed by Khalil Ibrahim. Okay. And then you can add padding around that to increase the size in here, and you can change also the color and everything for your design. Okay. And you can also insert hex colors if you want to be consistent with your color palette. And then we're gonna save and publish. And that would be it for our footer section. Hope you go apply that on your website, and see you next lesson. Bye.